video on my channel. This is Leetcode daily challenge on 27 June 2022, and today the question is partitioning into minimum numbers of Deci-Binary numbers. I don't think why they have put this question in medium category, because I don't think it is worth putting into the medium category. And you can see there are thumbs down, 900 thumbs down as compared to the thumbs up, so it is not an appropriate question if we look at the standard of medium level questions. But anyways, let's look into the question. So the question says a decimal number is called Deci-Binary if each of its digit is either 0 or 1. So let's take an example. So we can tell that a number is Deci-Binary if and only if the digits that it contains are either 1 or 0. So let's take some of the numbers like 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, now if the number is 0 0 1, what happens? Without any leading zeros, so now we can say that this is not valid. We can't include leading zeros. Any other number which doesn't have leading zeros is good. So okay, so you can see that this number is not a Deci-Binary because it has 2. This is not because it has 3, and these both of these are good. Now if we are given a string n that represent a positive decimal number, return the minimum number of positive Deci-Binary numbers needed so that they sum up to n. So we are giving a string. Will include only digit type characters, so 1 2 3 4 6 8. Let's suppose this is a string. We suppose this is a string. So they want to know that how many Deci numbers, which are these, we need minimum number of Deci numbers we need, which can add up to this number which is in the string given us, and they've given us. Okay, so if you look at the, let's not consider it as a string for now. Let's take it as a number. So you can see, if you want 1 as a sum, how many digits of Deci number should we add? So we know we only can use 1, so 1 is required. So 1 Deci number is needed for getting 1. For 2 we need minimum 2, because for making 2, the only way is to make by adding 2 ones, and that can only we can only get it by taking 2 Deci numbers minimum. And so if we look at the highest number or highest digit in the whole number, which is 8, so the minimum number of Deci numbers we need to take is equal to 8. So it is very simple problem. You just need to go over all the digits in a string and find out which digit is the maximum one, and that is the answer. Okay, and I hope you get the intuition. So let's implement it. So let's declare an answer equal to 0. We iterate over the string, so I equal to 0, I less than n dot size, I plus plus, and now let's take the digit. As it is a string, we have to, it is a character, we have to convert it into integer. So the n of I minus 0. I hope you know this, or if you don't know this, this is how you convert a character into number. So this is it. So now you just have to update answer. So max of ans, x, and return answer at last. Let's see if this works. You can see that this works, and I've also taken one big of an input, and it works completely fine. Let's submit this. So yeah, it works completely fine. Now there could be other solutions, because it just says that it is faster than the regular. I don't think we need to go to find out it, because it runs completely fine, and it is order of n solution. So, and the data set is also good enough to use order of n. So I think we are good to go. It's a very simple question, and yeah, but I hope you learn something new from this, like this statement. If you don't know how to convert it, now you know. In C++ you can convert like this. And so thank you for looking at this video, and I will see you for the next Leetcode daily challenge. Until next time, take care. See you.